another day at work. Still at work. Just requested my vacation. I requested the week before AwesomeCon and the week after AwesomeCon. So, like March 30th through April 12th. Plan to go to AwesomeCon on, actually I'm not going to say, in case there's any haters out there. Hey, fuck it, I'm going to AwesomeCon on Friday and Saturday of AwesomeCon. I will be there. We'll meet the Goonies. We'll meet all the people from Ninja Turtles. Oh, and Simon Pegg and Nick Frost are gonna be there. Paul, the movie Paul, was the movie that made me want to go to Comic-Cons in the first place. Like, I don't think I'll ever make it out to San Diego Comic-Con, but like, you know, once like I started noticing local Comic-Cons, you know, I started going to those more after that. Also because one of my friends that I used to work with at Target went to AwesomeCon and like met all the Power Rangers. So I got jealous. I wanted to meet all the Power Rangers myself. So that got me started going to AwesomeCon as well. Anyway, it should be a good time. I hope it is. One more hour till I get off work.
Electron discharge cannon for authorized personnel only. And you think Stavros was either alone?
I'm a little old for dolls, don't you think?
Not these dolls.
That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.